Should you get an S-Video VCR? The short answer is yes, definitely, and here's why. S-Video VCRs have better video resolution than standard VCRs. This does not only apply to SVHS tapes, but also standard VHS tapes. Technically, this isn't supposed to be true with the manufacturers, but I have tested hundreds of VCRs and have confirmed that S-Video VCRs definitely have better image quality than composite VCRs. If you're just simply trying to get the best image quality, make sure you get an S-Video VCR. Since the SVHS has different carrier frequencies, it's capable of recording up to twice as much detail as a standard VHS, and with less distortion and noise. Since SVHS tapes and VHS tapes are designed a little differently, SVHS will require a special type of VCR. You might be wondering, what is the resolution of SVHS? SVHS will record at least 400 lines of resolution, while standard VHS will record about 230 lines of resolution. And SVHS stands for Super VHS. You may be wondering, where can I buy an S-Video VCR? You can purchase them from our website at SpenCertified.com, and you can call to order or order online. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope it helped you out. I hope you understand the difference a little better now. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel.